From an empty plot, the foundations land in the first few seconds. Walls rise next, and the form takes shape long before any material is chosen. About half of it in, the first stairs appear. This is more than one level. Materials come later, well after the bones are decided. Lights warm the space 2/3 of the way through. At the very end, plants soften the edges. 11 minutes of architectural decisions, condensed into under 3. Designed at Voxitect.com. Architecture as a game.